Hello, welcome to Gumade Coins and Banknotes. This is Glenn, and today, well, we've got an unboxing or unlettering, whatever you want to call it. But let's have a look at the stamps that we have first. Chogham 2011 60-cent stamps. Yeah, that's when the stamp was 60 cents. Yeah, not too bad. But here we have an international postage $1.60. So the difference between these two is that this one you don't pay GST and this one you pay GST. So that's basically it. Looks like Australia Post had to pay GST. Ha ha ha. But that's quite a nice stamp if you have a look. Looks like Jesus with his mother. This is probably Archangel Michael, three wise men, and some dirty little pervert. Not too sure who it is. And in the other one, the other stamps I have are Sydney Olympics Aquatic Centre. Not too sure what this commemorates. Probably just buildings. Mears Velodrome. So for Speedway, I think, for sports cars. Another Olympic pool. So these are pretty much just photographs, so there's no real imagination taken on these. Adelaide Oval, so the AFL. And the last one is Rod Laver Arena, so tennis. And some more stamps. It's pretty much the same. So anyway, let's have a look what I actually have. So in the first one, it's nicely packed. Definitely pack it in these. And it's got staples. So this one is a silver wedding anniversary, 25 pence, 1972. This is from Gibraltar. So this coin is actually older than me. And it has the coat of arms United Kingdom. So that is this coat of arms, UK, and Gibraltar is here. So you've got the Gibraltar Rock, I believe that is. And probably coat of arms of, I don't know, need to look it up. But I think that cost me about $9, so not really expensive. And the coins from the 70s, especially the large crown size coins, come in these packages. This is quite popular in the 70s, but I presume it actually, they didn't do it anymore because I would say these might actually have a type of plastic that actually tones the coins. So you can no longer actually get them. Okay, the next one I have is from a coin seller that I actually buy quite often. And I know one of them is German. Can't remember what the other two got. Actually got two lots. Should be another lot coming soon. And what I actually have is a lot of Egyptian coins. So here we have, where's my pen gone? That is what one's that one? 2 mils. So and that's the £1, so that's the highest coin I've actually issued for circulation. And the £1 is equal to 100 piastres. So that's piastre there. Or gersh, I think it is in Arabic. And 1 gersh equals 10 mils. So there's 1,000 mils in £1. And then you got, I think that's Farouk. Can't remember which Farouk it is. There's 5 mils, another 5 mils. It looks like 10 mils. 5 gersh, 1 mils, another 5 mils. And these ones are from the 40s. That one's 1935. So that's nice. There's another 2. How about this one? This one looks like it's a silver. Looks like a 2. Don't know, I need to look that one up. It could be 2 mils or more likely a para coin issued under the when they're actually dominated by Ultimate. So the next one I have is a mixture. So we have Italian, Irish, and German. So as you can see, we've got 100 lira, 2 Pfennig from the Federal Republic, zinc, World War One coin. Well, this one's dated 1920, but they started in 1917. Then I got some euro coins, some Irish euro coins. Nazi Germany 1940, 5 Pfennig, Irish 5 pence. So, and then I got some World War II Italian coins. So coins from all different periods. Oh, this one I don't have. Not bad. So most of these I actually don't want to keep, but you know, I've got them all together because just some certain coins. So here we have a 2 and 6pence and £1 from Ireland. 5 Deutschmark. Oh, there's a French coin. Napoleon III. That's a 10 centimeters. And then we have some other coins. So as you can see, 500 mark. That's the highest value coin issued in Germany in the inflation period. And a commemorative Italian coin. Nice, not bad. So I'll take them out and see what. I'll look it up close. So here are the Irish coins. I actually have made a few videos on Irish coins. If you want to actually have a look at them, they should be in the Irish playlist. Or also boxing. And here's some Irish decimal coins. So I won't really say much about them, except that they're not really my favourite coins. The other side always has the harp, and also the same with the actual euro coins. So there's a €1 Ireland, and it actually has a harp, 2005. And then we have some other modern coins, so these are all euro. And before 2007 they actually have the old map, so that's the old map there. 2007 is just a modern map of Europe. And then we have the last lira coins of Italy. So here's a 1 lira, and that one, not too sure, is that orange or something like that? 1948, that's post-war. Then we have a 5 lira with grapes. It's actually one of my favourite coins. We have another 5 lira, this is a small one, with a dolphin. Then we have a 10 lira with wheat, 20 lira with oak. Let me just get close. 50 lira with a guy with a hammer, and he's a metal worker. Then we have an olive tree and a woman. I presume it's a woman on 100 lira. So the last 100 liras from 1990s are actually a smaller. Then we have a commemorative one with the 200 lira. This is a normal 200 lira. The normal 500 lira with, can't remember what plaza that is. Then we have a commemorative coin. And then we have the other side of these coins, and as you can see, we have these two. That's a plough, that's an oar from a boat, or not a boat, or no, not a paddle, an oar, I think it is. Then we have some allegorical features, so some females and males in the Roman style, so the ancient Roman style and Greek style. So I like Italian coins because they like to actually put their history on them. And if you see, it's got Repubblica, but the P, and it's got a V instead of a U. That's pretty much the Roman alphabet, because they actually used the U instead of the V the V instead of the U sometimes. And then we have some older coins. So these are between the wars. So inflation during the First World War and just after, of course, Italian currencies actually declined in value. So they're actually quite nice. We have a 1934 5 cent with the wheat. The 10 cents, one of my favourites as well, with a bee pollinating the plant. Then we have the fascist 10 cents, not really that good, but it has wheat and oak and the fascist and the Italian coat of arms. Then I would have to say another one of my favourites is the 20 centimeters with the woman flying. Then we have the overstamped coins, so the 1920. This was overstamped over the 1890s coins. And you can actually see the imprint on a lot of these of the previous coin. Then we have the fascist 20 cent. Then we have the 50 centimeters. This is taken off a Roman coin, so it's 4 lions and Equitas. Then we have a fascist one with an eagle. Then we have just a plain one of the coat of arms. That's the first nickel coin after the First World War. Then we have two 1940 coins. So reign 28th of Mussolini. And as you can see, it has the eagles on it. That's on, well, it's not actually on the Italian coat of arms currently. That actually looks more communist. So if you see here, most of the coins have Victoria Emmanuel the third. So Vittorio Emmanuel the third. Regia Imperia, so Emperor. And not all of them actually have his effigy. So this one has a females holding some wheat. This one just has the coat of arms, Reggio d'Italia, Kingdom of Italy. And this one just says Italia. So I presume that this woman here is actually Italia. And as you can see, the other coins just have his effigy. And even though on the communist ones you got the facing this way, facing left, facing right, facing left, facing right. So that's just really a reflection of the denomination. So they're actually quite nice coins. These are, that's nickel. These are actually just steel, stainless steel. So they're actually not too rare to get. And here I got some from Bundesrepublik Deutschland, so Federal Republic of Germany. But I've made lots of videos on those. They're actually quite nice. I've got all the denominations. You can get them actually in quite good condition, especially the 1 pfennig. And then I have some from the First World War. So like this coin, this is 19, can't tell, probably 1917, 5 pfennig. That's a zinc coin. Then 1875, 5 pfennig, so this is a copper nickel. This one has the J mint mark, so I think it's Hamburg. Then we have the inflation period, so this is the highest one. This one's in actually pretty good condition. I might actually change it with my other coins. And then I have coins from Nazi Germany. So this is A mint marks of Berlin. And this is 1940. So this is actually the first year. It's the first year or second year they were made. So actually a lot of nice coins there. And I'll leave the Egyptian ones for when I make another Egyptian video. Anyway, I'll leave it here. It's getting a bit long. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. Have an awesome coin collecting time.